In this video, we are going to show you how to false sign a PDF to make it look like it has been hand-signed and scanned. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Let's get started. To do this, we will use the falsisign tool on our desktop, which runs in command line mode. First of all, you need to clone the Git repository of falsisign, and then open the terminal in the folder where you have downloaded the falsisign files. Next, you need your hand signatures scanned in a PDF file, say signatures.pdf. Now, you run the first command via signdiv.sh to convert your hand signatures from a signatures.pdf file as PNG images. After the signature images are generated, you can see them in the signatures folder. Now, you run the second command with falsisign.sh and then wait for a while to save it the signed PDF file in the same folder. In our case, the final PDF file is document-scanned.pdf. You can open it after the second command finishes to see the finally added signatures. That is it, guys. This is how you can false sign and false scan a PDF file to make it look like it has been hand signed and scanned. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. I love free software TV for more videos like this.